Sea Ray 210 SPX. The SPX model is the best-selling runabout year after year. Sea Ray's been around for over 60 years. They know what they're doing, they're tried and true. This one does come with a trailer as well, so that helps with the cost if you were wanting to purchase this boat. So this one we ordered with the 200 horsepower Mercury. Standard is a 150, and that's a good power package, but this one right here will fly. This 200 on this 21-foot boat is just so fun. So here we are in the cockpit, and the one thing people notice when they actually get on the Sea Rays is how they appropriate their space. The beam's pretty standard to the competitors. However, they've been doing it long enough to where you just feel like you get a lot of room here. You do have a ski tow bar right here if you wanted to pull somebody on tubes or even do some water sports. And then right here, you got a really nice area to lounge out, or you could just sit facing forward. And I really love the amount of room you have here because there's no engine. This is the outboard model. So here we are in the cockpit, and the first thing you'll notice here is that we have the brand new Simrad. That is a wide screen, so when you split screen it, you can see both things that you're trying to look at very, very well. You have the bucket seat over here and the 3-position lounger, so you can sit facing aft if you're pulling somebody, or you're just wanting to hang out, or you can sit facing forward if you're just cruising. And up front, there is a bow filler cushion as well. So if you're interested in coming to take this for a spin, or you just like to see what we have on the lot, swing by MarineMax and ask for Jay.